G'day YouTubers, just doing a little review for you today. I've been using the Park Tool bike stand, the 10.3 version, for a bit now. I've been using it on some of the bikes, not using any of the videos, but yeah, I've had it for a few months, and it's a good bit of kit, very stable. Make sure that when you the legs at the bottom, there's a little push button there. You can just see at the top, the silver one. Make sure when you've clicked into position to tighten the wing nut as well, because they can actually collapse on you if you're just not quite careful with them and fall back up on you. So make sure that's tightened up. The head here, very good clamping system to clamp the bike. It's like a cam lock, very quick, like fast action, though it opens very wide in one quick movement. Just a couple of turns the handle and it tightens nice onto the seat tube. On the rear there is the locking mechanism, like for tilting the bike through 360 degrees. It's a cone system. Now I have heard of a few problems with these. The cone, because it's plastic, when it tightens up, if you over tighten it or leave it for any length of time tightened, it tends to like seize, lock up on itself. Now I spoke to Park Tools, the customer service technician guy there, and he recommends one, not leaving it tightened for any length of time obviously, and the other one is if it does get stuck, to put some like a broom handle clamped in and back it off and then give it a turn, like like you're going to turn a propeller on an old aircraft, just to get it to crack off. But the main job is to make sure it's degreased on the cone, the plastic cone, to keep it degreased and clean, and that way he said you shouldn't have any problems. But we'll see in a bit over time how it goes. Now the other little thing I'd say is a little tool tray that you get with it. That's this one here. Not very good, to be honest with you. For one, it's tiny, and I'm not being funny, I think they're doing this to make you buy the bigger tray. But the other thing is, to me, if they'd done it on like a round sort of bush that fits onto the teardrop's there for a bit of strength, but if they did a round bush so you can actually rotate it around, because I find it'd be better round the back out of the way. It tends to either catching your pedals, or it's just a nuisance. And I will be modifying this and making a new tray myself, to go on here. The height adjustment is done with the second of the cams you can see there. That adjusts the height of your bike. One thing I find a little bit on the shorter side for me for some of the jobs I'm doing on like the bottom brackets, etc. But it's a very good clamping system on the height, and you will note, like a bike seat, there's a couple of little marks on there to say maximum height. So yeah, it's a good solid stand. Like I say, really well made. I can't grumble at all about the make. So to be honest with you, I'd say sort of good and bad features. The stability of it, and it's really well made. The powder coating is top notch. All the plastic bits are sort of oversized, so they're not going to it's not cheap plastic either. It's good quality plastic, so it should last a lifetime. Bad things I would say is probably definitely the little tool tray. Either give a bigger one with it, or just make it so it rotates round out of the way, because it is annoying, really is annoying. The other one is the cone on the adjustment. That plastic, that could be a little bit better, either fixed in, so you could even give the back a tap to release it, or just do it to something a bit better quality plastic. It's a bit soft plastic, and that's I think how it's jamming. It's getting pulled in tight, being soft, and just wedging in there. And the other one, price is okay, but I just think it's just a little bit price for what it is. If that cone was sorted, then yes, I would say it would definitely be worth the money. So yeah, thanks for watching this little video. It's a little quick review. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to the channel, and until next time YouTubers, it'll be right.